right, our top focus story. There's no end to the political shenanigans, theatrics, drama in Puducherry. Congress ruled. Day after, 4 Congress MLAs resigned to push V. Narayanaswamy's government in minority. Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi rushed to Puducherry to try and avert a crisis which had already happened. On the other hand, the centre removed Kiran Bedi as the Lieutenant Governor. Take a look how it all panned out.
This is the protection. Puducherry political drama intensifying. With 4 Congress MLAs quitting the government and 1 getting disqualified, Narayanaswamy government is now in minority. The centre promptly removed Kiran Bedi as the Lieutenant Governor, giving additional charge to Telangana Governor Tamilsai Soundarajan.
I am really very happy to get this additional charge, and I thank our Honorable President, Prime Minister and our Honorable Home Minister for having hope on me.
Bedi bowed out, snatching away Congress's key poll plank of a hostile Lieutenant Governor imposed on them by the centre.
The people of Puducherry got victory by removal of Dr. Kiran Bedi because she was stopping welfare schemes. She was ignoring the elected government. She was interfering in the day-to-day administration. She was running a parallel government. She was acting as an agent of BJP government. And she was doing whatever the BJP leaders in Puducherry said.
But Congress was left red-faced by none less than Chief Minister Narayanaswamy himself. The Chief Minister tried to cover up his government's failure by mistranslating a woman's complaint of official apathy to Rahul Gandhi.
இதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்குது கடலோர பகுதி இப்படியே தான் இருக்குது எங்களுக்கு யாரும் ஆதரவு கொடுக்க மாட்டார் அவரே இருக்காரு எங்களை வந்து ஒரு காலமாவது புயலுக்கு வந்து பார்த்திருக்காரா
we look at that time during cyclone, sir, never cyclone, I came and visited the area.
He even went on to defend his action.
Sir, there is a viral video saying that you mistranslated something for Rahul Gandhi regarding a plight of a woman at the fisherman's issue.
Why you are asking all this question? Have you been there?
Yes, sir, we were there. It has turned viral currently. That's why we are
I never misrepresented anything.
Okay.
Narayanaswamy has more to worry than furor over misleading Rahul Gandhi. His government just has 14 MLAs in the House with effective strength of 28. And the BJP-led opposition is smelling blood.
In a day's period, Puducherry witnessed several episodes of political drama, with the final one being the removal of Kiran Bedi from the Lieutenant Governor's post. Now, Congress claims this as a victory of the people, but the bigger question is that after Kiran Bedi is removed, what will be their campaign strategy for 2021 elections is something we need to wait and watch. With camera person Divyan, Pramod Madhav, for India Today.
All right, viewers, remember now this is a state which is just 2 months away from election. So what now? What happens in Puducherry? Let's cut across. We are just waiting for our BJP guest, but let's cut across right now to V. Vittalingam. He's Congress MP. Mind you, he was also once the Chief Minister of Puducherry. Appreciate you joining us, sir. Thank you. What now, sir? Your House current strength 28, 14, 14 with both your alliance and the BJP alliance. What now?
Actually, in Pondicherry, elected members will be around 25 and nomination is 3. All put together is 28. Out of 28, elected MLAs for the Congress side is 14. The opposition side, elected members is 11 and nominated MLAs are 3, which they are not having the voting right. Even the Election Commission also tells that the nominated MLAs may have not voting rights for the government selection. So now the BJP is trying with the support of the nominated MLA. It is totally wrong. Even the at percent, the government, Congress government have the majority. Out of 25, we have 40. That is the situation now.
Sir, but would you not see this as an embarrassment? Because tomorrow you're in minority, your opposition led by the BJP and the AIDMK and the AINRC is going in to ask for a floor test.
actually you can see the 14 is included with the nomination members. The elected members only 11. The NR Congress is 7 and the ADMK have 4.
So the
totally
alliance is
they have-
contesting, sir. Sir, the alliance is contesting. The BJP, AI, NRC, AIDMK alliance is contesting that
Yeah.
these three nominated can actually vote.
Actually, you can see the election commissioner reply to the public, the media. They are telling the nominated members not having the voting rights. The last visit, the election commission, the team came to Pondicherry. The question arose before the election commission asking there is no meaning of the election because the three nominated MLAs will decide the fate of the future government. So the election commission told to the press media that they are not having the voting rights. The nominated members not having the voting rights. It's reported in the media.
So, sir, you are saying that it is then improper for the opposition tomorrow to ask for a floor
Yeah,
test.
it is totally improper and they are trying to topple the government.
So
with
tell
the
me
support
one
of the
thing.
nominated
Right. So tell us one thing, because there's a big question which is arising. Why this embarrassment? You could have averted this embarrassment. Rahul Gandhi has rushed into this political crisis in Puducherry right now. You're 2 months away from election. Many say, sir, if Rahul Gandhi had come in earlier and helped solve this crisis, it would not have happened. Your 4 people would not have left you.
You see, you can understand it is a planned one for the Rahul Gandhi. Tamil Nadu is taken place. The second is in Pondicherry. It is only on the line. Now the BJP is trying to threaten the MLAs to cross over and resignation. That is the main issue. The BJP is trying to pull the people.
So
They
do
are
you not,
bargaining.
sir, do you not see that if Rahul Gandhi would have come in earlier, which many of your MLAs say, this crisis would have been averted?
That is different. That is different because the leaders' trip is totally decided later stage. On the request of our side, only leader came to our side. Because they started the campaign in Tamil Nadu. It is the biggest state.
But sir, when a state is in crisis, shouldn't you reinvent your itinerary?
No, we started within 3 or 4 days, not before that.
But sir, that's what one main question that your own cadre is asking. You know, there's a political crisis. Rahul Gandhi, Wayanad MP, had to make a visit for, campaigning in Puducherry. Couldn't he have made his visit a little earlier and averted an embarrassment which faces you right now where you are in minority?
No. Already we explained the situation. We are not minority. We are the elected members have the majority.
Sir, do you not reckon this is an embarrassment still, sir?
No, it is not an embarrassment. They are making some embarrassment. But we are not in the embarrassment. We are in the tight position. Because the elected MLA is voting in our side. They have the elected members only 11. 3 is nominated. You can understand whether the nominated MLA vote for the future government.
Sir,
If it is so, that is the meaning of election.
Sir, what is at this juncture? Let's just go back a little bit, sir. Your own alliance partner in Puducherry is DMK. DMK had foreseen this situation. DMK had advised the CM of Puducherry, Mr. Narayan Swamy, step down, resign and face elections. Why didn't he do so, sir? Your own alliance partner had...
No, you are wrong presented. There is no claim from the DMK to step down the chief minister.
Sir,
you must understand.
Sir, there were many times it was spoken as well where...
You are putting a wrong question. It's not correct.
Sir, tell me what is the right way of saying it. It was said out in the media, sir. You tell me what's the right way of saying it.
It's not making to step down the chief minister. You can understand that. There is no claim from the DMK.
So many times they have said it, but okay. But do you think the writing had been on the wall?
No.
That this was going to happen?
Actually, you can see there is no. You can ask the DMK people whether they make it. It is not correct. You are wrongly telling them.
All right, sir. Okay. Well, the DMK had said it on many occasions, but having said that, let's, go to the BJP spokesman.
They are supporting, the leader is supporting, the DMK leader is supporting, DMK Stalin is supporting.
Sir, of course they are supporting right now, but they had foreseen a situation. They had advised the chief minister, step down, resign, because cite central interference and contest elections, face the elections.
Understand, there is no advice from the DMK.
Okay.
That is the main point.
All right. So right now they are with you. Yes, you're right in that aspect, but they had advised you otherwise.
they
But
are
sir,
with us. They
fine.
are with us.
Okay.
Even before that, they are with us.
Sir, they had
are not
advised
going
you
out.
though. Okay, sir. Yes, yes. All right. Okay,
No,
let me get in, sir. Can I get in the BJP spokesperson with your permission? I have RP Singh. Appreciate you joining
Yeah.
us, Mr. Singh. You're being accused of trying to destabilize a government 2 months before election.
Well, that's the easiest thing Congress can do, and it always happened with Congress, whether it was Assam, whether it's Arunachal, any other state. Actually, Mr. Rahul Gandhi doesn't have time for his party, and then he is a part-time party leader and part-time politician. So that's why his party is suffering. The people are going away. And let's talk about last time the chief minister candidate. Although the chief minister is right now another chief minister, but the chief minister candidate has left their party. So if the chief minister candidate, whom they projected as the chief minister last time, has left the party, then what is there in the party? I mean, it means people are fed up of the party leaders. They as Mr. Hemanta Sharma once said that when we go to meet Rahul Gandhi, he's more busy with his dogs than meeting the cattle. That's the problem. I mean, and then public life is a 24/7 work. It's not that.
So, sir, you agree? So, sir, you do agree that you have taken opportunity of the crisis. You've taken opportunity of a leadership abyss in Puducherry and struck. Nothing wrong in that.
Well, what's wrong for anything in politics? I mean,
So
I don't
you
understand
agree, sir? You're trying to destabilize the Puducherry government.
No. We are not. It's not that we are trying to destabilize the party there. It's that if people want to come and they want to quit and they want to join us, how can we say? I mean, someone want to quit and join us. I mean, it happened in Gujarat. It has happened in other states also. It happened in Madhya Pradesh also. So, I mean, did we destabilize it? People quitted within the party. The most dearest of the friend of Rahul Gandhi, they quitted party. Because they don't feel that they have a role to play or they have any scope in the party.
Okay. All right. I just want to take one final comment from our guest from the Congress, the former Chief Minister of Puducherry. For somebody, sir, who is the former Chief Minister of the state, I want to ask you one final question, Mr. Vettilingam. And the question, sir, is what now? Because, you know, the writing is on the wall. Your opposition says you have a leadership abyss. Maybe Rahul Gandhi should have come out in time and taken charge of the situation. He did not do so. You find yourself in embarrassment today.
No, it is not correct. Actually, Rahul Gandhi program is totally different. It is not for this crisis management.
Okay. Sir, tomorrow do you think you're going to face the opposition going and asking for a floor test?
Actually, you can see whether the nominated MLA having the voting right. You can tell me.
All right, sir. Okay. So the election commission has, yes.
Overrule the elected members. The BJP can say nominated MLA can decide the future government.
Who nominated them? Who nominated them?
The Lieutenant Governor, sir, Kiran Bedi. The former Lieutenant Governor.
Give me a second. Give me, man. Give me a second.
Okay, yes. Sir, can I, yes, Mr. Singh, go ahead. You wanted to make a point.
See, that's a very easy escape route. I just now said the candidate who was the chief minister candidate, he quitted.
Mr. Vettilingam, let Mr. Singh make his point. I'll come back to you and we'll close this debate. Yes, Mr. Singh, go ahead.
See, the people within their party whom they projected as the chief minister, he has quitted the party a year back. But the process is on. People know that there is no future in Congress. Congress leaders are not serious about the party itself.
So sir, what is wrong? So, Mr. Vettilingam, you know, with what Mr. RP is saying is what is wrong if the opposition smells opportunity and goes for it?
You can understand, we are not, the Congress party have the culture, they will not project anybody as the chief minister candidate. It is the culture of the Congress. We are not projecting anybody there, even in the last election.
Sir, in many states, the BJP would say it's their culture as well, but we leave it at that.
BJP can say, but Congress will not say.
All right, sir. Can I bow out of this debate? I appreciate both of you for joining us. Sir, okay. Can I, with both your permission, can I appreciate you both for joining us? We'll only know how things pan out in days to come. But the fact is, Puducherry goes to election in 2 months' time, already in the midst of a political crisis. How will that be solved? Well, the next few days will decide. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. Let's quickly shift focus to our other big debate.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.